Remember all those childhood games you used to play on those Flash websites? Today I'm playing one of those games, Papa's Pancakeria. Let's get started. Let's start a new game. Who should it be? Let me be Cooper! I know I'm a Beyond YouTuber, but I'm doing a gaming video. I might even restore all the gaming videos. Continue. Cooper finds a job! Cooper with a cat? Why does he have a cat? Oh. He passes by a pizzeria. Cooper, what are you gonna get? There's a squirrel. Why is the cat shocked? The cat just ran off and Cooper didn't notice. He dropped his pizza! The next morning. What do you mean by the next morning? Cookie. His cat's name is Cookie? His phone is ringing after he put up the sign. It's Papa Louie! Yay! Welcome to Maple Mountain. Wait, he's old enough to drive? He looks like a 13-year-old, dude! Isn't that illegal? Cooper. Oh, so the cat likes it and now he gets the job. That's the weirdest thing I ever seen. Day 1. Let's get started. The order station. The grill station. And the build station. So we should be doing good. Peggy, baby, what's up? Okay, so we got that. You're done? Just look at my fish. Okay, let's flip. Let's put this on here. The flip meter shows... Okay, so... Well, it's time to flip it when it turns orange. Wait, we can flip it?! No way, wait, what? Okay. So... Yes, I know. Oops! Oh, I'm sorry. I'll flip it back. Okay. Just get the sign out of here. I'm looking! Are you blind? I am literally looking with my eyes right now. Come on. Okay, that's perfect. That's literally perfect. Let's just wait. Intense breathing. Well, that was intense. I'm looking. Is that good? That's good. Wait, there's a finish stacked. What? Okay. So two of these on top of each other. Let's get these. I never thought I was gonna only serve 3 of these. This girl's a full blueberry girl! Hey, I hate blueberries. I hope I like blueberry sauce. P.S. I don't. I hate you. I'm not trying to be sexist, okay? Please do not make a drama on me or something. There we go! Peggy! Come on. Yes! Thank you, Peggy. I love you so much. I might even have a crush on you. Taylor, are you a closer this time? How do I even know what a closer is? Wait, I forgot. What's a closer? What's a closer? It was just a random gibberish word I made up. Like, who would be named a closer? Like, is that? What is that? I want to press it so hardly. Can I? No. Wait. So I guess I'm just gonna keep waiting. Well, this is weird. Whoa! Come on! Can you please stop taking forever? Oh, they're gonna love me! They're gonna love me! I know it! I think that's good. And I think that's good. Go! Why does my voice sound like this? Boom, boom, boom. Last piece. Boom! The order's almost complete. Let's put the last patty on. I mean, the last pancake on. Let's add chocolate. Remember the chocolate guy? I'm the guy who invented the chocolate. Why does it look like hot cocoa and oil mixed together? Come on, Taylor. Trust me. It's fine. Trust me. Yo, what? 3 tickets? I wonder what this ticket service is. Do I get invited to a birthday party at the end of this game? Service quality, 96%. Let's click. Oh, no. 191. Let's see. Continue. Minigame show! JoJo's Burger Slots. I'm playing this. Dude, what? Ugh! Okay, perfect. Ugh! No! Oh, no. I can't even notice. Oh! At least I won $1 for some reason. Let's keep playing this until I get the jackpot. No! I managed to get this. Yes. No! Mr. 150 cents. This is it. This is the jackpot. Yes. Wait, no! No, 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 no. At least I earned 50 cents. Let's go to the upgrade shop. Okay, I can't even get anything. Furniture shop. Yes, please. Nothing. Okay, time to close my store forever.